Hey guys! So we've been releasing some awesome features to make it even easier for you to build charts when your data is in a structured table. Notion databases and Airtable bases, for example, are structured tables, and we started by implementing these changes for them. So I'm gonna connect to a Notion database and show you. I'll just create a new document and add existing data and find my Notion space. Go to my personal one, select pages. I'm just going to select this one, the sales one, which has a sales CRM database. And the thing with data in these kinds of tables is that it isn't always obvious how you'd visualize it in a meaningful way. Like this data here in this database. Putting it directly into a chart doesn't really make any sense. So what you need is to summarize it somehow, and this is something you typically solve by writing a complex query function, for example, or something like that. And people often get overwhelmed at this point and decide to get some data specialists to do the charts for them. But we, however, really wanted to find a way to empower people to be able to do this on their own. So we made this new super friendly chart builder. So just choose the type of chart you want. And in this case, I'm gonna do on the x-axis, I'm gonna put the expected close. So this is a date column. It doesn't make sense to do it by day, so I'm going to group by month, and I'm going to get the sum of the estimated value per month. And just with a few clicks, I have this great summarization of the data. I can go a bit further. I could do a split by and split by the sales reps, and here we see who's doing what in each month. Or I could do a filter by and just select it for one sales rep. And to make things even easier for you, we designed an AI assistant to help you with this. So just find it down here. And what you can do is just write in normal language what you want to show in the chart. So in this case, total of estimated value for the sales rep Isabella Cruz by month. And you see that we get the same chart just by writing it in normal language. And then you can go to more options, and you could change it a bit further. Now say that you're not directly building a chart, but you want to do something with the data in a spreadsheet first, some calculations. You do something like you want to sum up the whole estimated value column. So in this case, it doesn't make sense to reference this data like we would a spreadsheet with A1 type references. We just do it by the whole column. So we reference it by the column name. And this means that if we then add some columns in the Notion database, these formulas don't break in the future. So with this one, we just get a number, and we could build something nice in this sheet. So when you have a cool chart like this, it's not unlikely that you want to embed it somewhere. So we made that super simple as well. Just go to the share menu, give it a title, and then go to more options and allow embedding. Copy the link. Go to a page like your Notion page, and just do an embed element. Paste in the link, wait a bit, and you have the chart here, embedded and interactive. So thanks for watching, and I really hope you all build something really awesome with this new tool.